We're back into the sugar scrub season, and it's going to be the Christmas spice scent, and that's what I made today, and I want to show you. This is the piping right here. Came out wonderful, huh? And it smells beautiful. Nice woodsy scent. If you want to check out my supply haul, I do have a video on that. But today I want to show you how I made these sugar scrubs. If you are interested, come along with me. Hey, I'm Diane from Vermont Lavender. Welcome to my channel, and let's get making some sugar scrubs. So today I am using Christmas spice, and this is from Brambleberry. And this has notes of ginger and cinnamon and mocha. And so I'm making a sugar scrub with this, and I'm making it as a gift set. And I'm going to be using eco-friendly red fine glitter, raspberry red mica. And so I'm going to mix the two of these together. The sugar part of it, which is a lavender sugar, I'm going to add this little bit of a sparkle to it for the like a glistening snow effect, and then a little bit of lavender because that's my signature scent. And this is from Marblers, and I'll leave a link for this in the description box below. Let's get making these sugar scrubs. Okay, now I'm ready to add my ingredients. This is the melt and pour, and it's the glycerin and the cocoa butter and the mango. So I'm going to add that to my mixer. I'm going to add this first, and that is the foaming bath butter. I'm going to add that first, kind of whip it around. Ready to stir in my sugar. So it has a nice, beautiful texture here, and I'm just going to scrape down the sides a little bit, and then I'm going to add my preservative, my fragrance oil. Alright, and I'll scrape the sides, make sure it's all mixed up. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. That really turned out nice. It smells beautiful. It has like a woodsy cinnamon clove type scent. So it's very, very beautiful. It's nice and light. And I'm going to divide the mixture. And I'll put the sparkly white in this one here, because I do like it. I think it adds a little bit more glisten and shine to the sugar scrub. And this will be the red one right here with a little bit of glitter. And then I'm going to do a small amount of lavender. So that won't have much, because I need quite a bit of white. So that's good there. And now I'm going to put my mask on again. This is really nice, like in soaps, which this is a soap, but you can see it flying around. Ugh, that's why I get a mask. But once it's in the product, it won't do that. Adds a little bit of glisten. And off. Okay. And I'll probably mix this up just a tad. I will do the little bit of the white here. Okay, so this is going to be the red. See how that looks before I close everything up. And then this one here is the purple one. Just going to add very little of this one. So I just want it to be like an accent. Because I love purple. Okay, alright, I do have this. And I'm going to do the purple because I don't have a lot of it. So I just want to make sure. And then we'll add the white sparkly mica one that doesn't have too much of a sparkle, but it might show up later. I'm going to close up my shop. It's almost 5 o'clock. I will close it up. And I want to get that purple hopefully coming out. It might not. Oh yeah, just a little. Oh, this is so pretty. I love the mica colors. And it smells wonderful. So you can see a little bit right here. There. All right, let's do a little one. This is a 4 ounce. And I don't have a piping tip because it is rather thick. And I probably should. And then let's do a little one. This one here could probably just go like this. See, so it has another technique. So you just pull up, so you have it down like this. Push it down like that, and then you just slowly pull up like so. My opening is really, really big. It's a little too big. And I'll top these off if they need it. Just want to make sure I have enough for all of them. It smells so good in the shop today. Oh my gosh.